What suggestions do you give for aspiring leaders? What should they be doing right now?
I don't think you need the word leader in your title to be a leader. I think what leadership truly is demonstrating acumen in the field, helping others be successful, and ensuring that you've got more than just an individual mindset. When you start exporting your skills and exporting your successes and helping others, that's what a leader does, right?
Ask. You don't know until you ask the question, right? Or ask for the sale. We're in sales, so you got to ask for that sale, right?
Yeah.
So if you work for a big multinational, ask your manager. Hey, how can I get into a leadership program? I worked for Baxter at one point, and they didn't have an opportunity at that point. So I looked outside, and I found startups, and I think that's a great proving ground. If you're willing to take that risk, like I have, then take that risk and prove yourself, because someone's going to notice you.
You might think the grass is always greener, but if you know the mission, vision, values, and the why of the company you work for, lock and load. Just because you might not get the opportunity the first time, continue to develop yourself, continue to ask to, run those key projects, put yourself out there. Don't be afraid to fail.